biology in human welfare. The world's human population, which was only 1 billion during 1850, had reached 6.1 billion around the year 2000. This dramatic increase in population, otherwise called population explosion, has created its impact not only on the environment but also on food production. Half of this 6.1 million people live in poverty, and 1/5 of this population suffers due to malnutrition. Increase in population and unplanned industrialization and migration towards cities and urban areas has resulted in the degradation of the environment. The present agricultural practices have polluted cultivable land physically, chemically, and biologically. The net productivity is gradually being reduced. These factors lead to the shrinkage of agricultural lands and a fall in agricultural production.